Hi everyone. Now today you are going to see a series of videos on the development of solids. Means when you have a prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, when you unfold it, how it looks like, that's called as a development. There are two types of developments are there. Let us discuss in detail in the coming videos. Now on the screen you can see a question that draw the development of the square prism of side 40 mm and height 100 mm. As all of you are aware that a prism which has its two bases, upper base and lower base, connected with the rectangular faces. You know that one. So square prism means total 4 sides and 4 rectangular faces. So when you unfold it, how it looks like, let us see very clearly. You can see that this is the square prism, upper base which is having the lower base and 4 rectangular faces. When you unfold it like this, you just see this is the rectangular prism. When it is completely closed, when you start opening each and every face and base, it looks like this one. So this is called as the complete development of the solid. You can see here very clearly. So this is what we are going to draw. As on the question, they say that they have given the side and the height of the prism. What is the side? 40 mm and height as 100 mm. Okay, so this is 40 40 40 40. So 4 into 40, because square prism 4 sides, 4 into 40 equals to 60, and the height is 100 mm. So when you clearly unfold it, it looks like this: 40 40 40 40. So 4 40s are 60 and the height of the prism is 100 mm. The same you are going to draw. So before drawing the development, always you need to draw the orthographic projections. So now let us draw the square polygon, number of sides 4. Using edge method, I am drawing the 40. Okay, very clearly I made it. This is the side of 40. Now let us draw the front view. With the help of the top view, I am constructing the front view. This is the axis. Axis height is 100 mm. Now I am drawing the rectangular faces, 100 mm, 100 mm. Now I am drawing the upper base. Now I am drawing the lower base. That's good. Now let us give the line weight for the required one. All these are very clearly visible, as you are well aware in the projection of solids. If not, you please go through that playlist, you will come to know that one. So right now, okay, no need of color, I am giving as it is. Apply the line weight as 0.5. To display the line weight, please activate the command line weight display, LWD, enter, on. Perfect. Let us give the dimensions also. Axis height is 100 mm. Base side is 40 mm. Okay, now let's give the notations also. So this is the top view: A, B, C, D, and the lower base is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not visible, that's why. And coming to this one, A dash of B dash, and coming to this one, D dash of C dash, the lower base, 4 dash of 3 dash, and coming to here, 1 dash of 2 dash. Okay, let us make it very clearly positioning. Just I am placing it perfectly instead of random. It looks good. That's why. Okay, so let us apply the axis also. So I need to load the line type first. Other load for axis line I am using center to. You can scroll down, you will get the center to. Okay, okay, choose this one and apply the center to. See, perfectly the axis has been applied. Now we completed the orthographic projections, but in the question they asked us draw the clear development of the square prism. As I said, when you develop, it looks like this one. 4 surfaces, I mean lateral surface. So 4 lateral surfaces, as well as this is the upper base and this is the lower base. Now what I need to do, 4 into 40, 160 line I will draw it. Take a line, 160, because 4 sides, 4 into 40, 160. Now I need to divide into 4 splits. So to divide, div, divide, select object to divide, number of sides 4, I mean segments 4. To display the division segments, as you all of you know that we need to activate the command p type, means point style. P type, activate this type, set size in absolute units, 3 mm. Okay, see, perfectly it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to draw the rectangular faces. The height is 100 mm. Select this one, copy CO, multiple, choose this one as a base point. Perfect. Now draw one more line here. Successfully we developed the 4 lateral faces, but in the question they asked us to draw the complete development. Very clearly they asked that development. So when they asked about the development, it's time to give the upper base also. Upper base 40, 40 and then 40. Similarly lower base 40, 40, 40. Perfect. Now we need to give the line weight, because everything is very clearly visible. Select this one, apply the line weight as 0.5. Perfect. It's time to give the notation. Go for the text. Okay, here we should not give dashes or simple, because these are not the projections, it's a complete development. Always give in the form of uppercase letters. A, B, C, D, A. Perfect. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 1. We successfully completed the rectangular faces, means lateral surfaces. Now it's time to give the notation for this one. Already BC is there, this one is D and this is A. Already 2, 3 is there, so 1 and then 4. Very clearly we completed the development of a square prism offside. It's time to give the notations, dimensions here. You can see guys, 160 is the one, but here just double click, 4 into 40 equals to 160. That's it. Likewise you can develop. And the height you can give like this. You can give this side or that side. Perfect. So this is what the development of a square prism.